We are in a thrift store in Cologne, and we're going to try and find cute outfits. I already found a very cute jacket. We're gonna be walking around, filming, trying to find some cute things.
I also found this cute purse.
Oh, it is cute. Can you also get like shots of the store itself? What, am I asking for too much? We'll pay you by the hour, okay? Would you like this? But it looks kind of similar to the one she's wearing. Okay, I'm looking for an outfit for Miss Mai or myself, depending on what we find. We have very different yet still similar type in clothes, so we can agree on some things, but we can also very much disagree. Do you agree with me, Mai?
What?
That we have similar taste in some things, but some things not.
Yeah, because I like to wear grandma outfits.
Yeah.
So she does not like that.
She's a granny, and I'm like cool and hip. I can't find anything, and you found.
You're not even going through the clothing.
I am, just not very thoroughly like you.
All right, so I kind of have found this like cute white top, and then she can wear the jacket on top, and with a little brown purse. I feel like it's really good colors. I'm a huge fan of everything, so I think all I need to find is either a skirt, if there's a mini skirt, that'd be amazing, or like jeans. We're good.
The people who watched our podcast would know. This is a Mandela effect. Where is the loom? Where is it? It was there, I swear. Do you remember it being with a loom or not? Nod. You do? Okay, so Mai found me an outfit possibly, but I did not find anything. Do you want to show everything?
We have a purse, a brown purse. We have this super cute jacket that honestly I kind of want to get, or TJ gets it. This cute little button-down white top, and then this mini skirt, which is probably too big for her, but we're gonna make it fit.
We're gonna make it work.
All right, we have this cute outfit.
I can't spin on it.
She cannot spin. Oh wait, don't forget the purse. So this is the outfit. The jacket is a little big on her. So is the skirt, but it's kind of giving. Everything is a little too big on her, but we love it. And honestly, I would rate this outfit a 10 out of 10.
Would you?
I would. It's so cute. I just wish it was more fitted.
I would rate it a 7.
That's not bad. I'll take it. Stop recording me.
Okay, so I found some options. I don't know what vibes I'm going for. I'm just picking up things that I feel like would fit mine. So I have 3 skirts, I have a dress, and I have shorts, and we'll make it work. Hey, so it sounds like I suck at thrifting. I'm giving up. Whoa, hey, cameraman, stop that. Okay, this is my outfit that I picked.
We have this skirt that Tisha picked out, and this little tie top, and this cute little black purse. Get those details. I would rate this outfit. I really love the skirt. Honestly, the skirt for me gets a 10 out of 10. On this tie top, I wish it sat differently. I would give this outfit a 7 out of 10.
Hey,
Matching. Okay, so we got this cute little blind box set from Pop Mart. It's the Crying Again collection, and 7 gifted it to us.
There's only one that I want, and it's this one.
But I kind of don't want to give it to her because
it's mine.
The only one that I wanted.
But it's mine.
Do you need like scissors or something to open the box?
Nope.
Oh, that was nice.
Oh,
so do we just pick one?
Yes, so
Can
basically, wait.
Can I pick one?
Yes.
I'm gonna close my eyes and see what my mind is telling me to pick.
I don't know how to.
This one.
This one? Okay, let me get it for you. It looks
Wait,
cute.
okay, so I rip it.
Yes.
I'm scared. This is my first ever blind box.
She's opening the first one.
Okay.
That was a fail.
Yeah.
So bad. Yes. Okay, get it out. Don't look in the box.
Okay. Oh wait, what is that?
It's a little stand.
Oh, this is the first box. cute. I love blue.
Okay, my turn.
This one right here.
I'm so afraid. I don't want to look in. I don't want to see what it is. Oh my god, it's the rainbow one.
This is the one that Mai got.
Whoever gets Alice.
No, you said I can have it. Hey, you're cheating.
I want Alice.
But you said I can have it.
You heard how Noah said the only one that you wanted was the Alice, right?
Okay, but you said I can have it.
Okay,
Don't cheat.
Imagine that's Alice.
It's
oh
fuzzy.
my
And
god!
there's
Oh
tape on
my
her.
god, she's so cute.
There's tape on her. Hold on. She's fuzzy.
She's adorable.
This is fuzzy. She's a cutie. All right, your turn. Oh.
Oh wait, I have her.
Wait, this is
I
matching.
literally have her.
But this is matching.
It
Look.
is matching. True,
What the
but
fuck?
I already have her, so I don't need her. You can.
I don't need her is crazy.
I have her in my room. She's really.
They're so cute together. It's literally my turn. My turn.
I have her too.
She's okay. She's cute. That was so pathetic. Oh,
She literally has a tattoo.
oh my god, she does. This is the one.
This is the one. She thinks this is Alice.
Now,
What
can
if
we
it's a
edit
secret?
it? Can we edit it for you to actually open the one that's right?
Let me
Oh,
see
I
what's
saw a
that.
hat or something. I saw something pink.
Oh, then it's not Alice.
Fuck, what is it? I saw something pink.
Oh my gosh, she's one of my favorites.
Oh, she's cute. She's also fuzzy, right?
Little duck toes.
My turn. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Ew.
No!
I'm scared.
Oh my god, it's a bumblebee. Are you joking? What if we unbox the Alice one last?
That would be so funny, actually.
This is such a mess. Ooh, this feels juicy. Oh!
Don't look. Why are you looking? Oh
It
my
already
God.
fell out. It already fell
Did
out.
you see it? Did you see what it was?
I think it's a duck one.
Oh, but she's cute.
Shut up!
I love her.
Are you kidding?
Where did it go? There it is.
There.
I
This
love
is the
her
card.
though. She is very cute.
Look at her. She's so stinking cute. Her name is Duck You.
Duck you. Real.
What was her name again? Probably something duck related. Frog. I think this is a frog actually.
This is. Oh yeah, it could be a frog. That's why she has those feet. Stop looking. She's looking in the box. I see her. I see her. It's not. It's not.
We keep thinking it's Alice. Oh,
But
it's
she's
the
chained
jail
up.
girl.
She's chained up. What did you do, Miss Ma'am? She reminds me of the Sims robber. She's cute though. I mean, I'll accept her. There's only 3 left.
Alice is in there and the other naked baby that I don't like. I'm taking this one.
I'm scared. Please don't be it.
It is Alice. She's so cute. Look at her. She has. Oh, she's pissed. Oh, she's pissed. Stop it. She's so cute.
Anyway, I guess we have 2 more to open. Can you hold these behind your back and I'll pick a side?
Okay.
Give me the right side. Cheers.
Cheers.
Ready?
Go. Ah!
You had it.
I have this one. I have the plushie.
She's a
of
little
this,
fuzzy.
The keychain of this one. So cute.
All right, I'm scooching you guys closer. We're gonna rate them from 1 to 10. This one.
The
What would
robber.
you rate her?
I
out
would
of
rate
10?
her a solid 7 out of 10.
I would actually give her an 8. I feel like she's one of the cuter ones. I like her. She gets an 8 in my book.
Duck
Oh.
You. 10 out of 10 in my opinion.
Duck you, this one.
She's so cute. And the fact her little stand is blue.
Yeah,
Adorable.
She is very, very cute. I would also give her a 10. What was her
Love
name
Makes
again?
Us Cry.
Love Makes Us Cry. She's okay. She's like a 7.
What?
She's cute.
She's a 10.
She's cute, but she's not the
She's
best.
a 10, she's a bear, she's fuzzy, and I have the plushie of this, 10. And she's a little bow, are you kidding? Oh, so cute.
Okay, you go next.
0 out of 10. I don't get why they're naked. I don't get it. Why are their nipples out? Like,
And she has a
she
tank
had
top
10!
tan. But
Okay,
she
actually,
doesn't.
that's kind of cunty.
Okay, but she's not wearing a tank top. Why does she have a tan?
That's true.
Explain.
Explain this,
I will
but it's
give
kind of
her-
cunty though. I like the tan.
will
I like
give
the tan
her-
lines. 2 out of 10. 2 out of 10.
I will give her a 4 out of 10.
Not the cunty tan lines.
Bumblebee, right?
10.
10 out of 10.
10, 10, 10.
10 out of 10.
Tens
Are you
all
fucking
around.
kidding? She is so fucking cute.
Also a
Frog?
10 for me. I think all of the fuzzy ones are a 10.
I think she's like a 9. She could have been better.
Alice gets
11.
a 15 out of 10.
11 out of 10. She is adorable. I wish there were 2 in this package, but there's 1.
I
Is
like
that the
her.
Star Boy?
Yeah.
That's a Star Boy.
9 out of 10.
I honestly think I'm gonna give him a 10 out of 10 because it's blue and I love blue. If you know me, you know I love blue, so. She's fuzzy, right?
10,
Yeah.
10. It's a bunny.
Yeah, honestly, I think she's better than the frog. I'll give her a 10 as well.
I already have Baby Brown. Honestly, I would rate it higher than Baby Blonde just because of the magnetic hat. 4 or 5.
Giving her a 4 out of 10 as well. I like her tattoos, but they're just so basic. This is the rainbow one.
Love is love. Happy Pride. Happy Pride. 10 out of 10.
I really like the way this one feels, but I think it's very basic. A 7. Very basic. If there was maybe one like special thing about it, maybe some glitter. Throw some glitter on this.
Ooh, yeah.
On the
that'd be so
tears, you know?
cute. Glitter on the tears.
There would have been. Movie recording stopped. Fuck you, camera. What do you give it?
10 out of 10 because
Alright.
love
There's
is love.
one left.
I love her. I think she's so cute. I think her bow is so cute. I love the glitter on this one. I would also rate her like a 9 out of 10. I feel like there's just something missing, but I do love it a lot.
I think she gets a 10 out of 10. She's cute. She's glittery. She has a heart on her. This is me and Mai right here. This is me, and this is Mai. Aren't we cute? That was fun. I will not. Oh wait, should I do my blind box or you got me?
Yes, do
It's in the Sephora bag. Also, my other camera died, so everything else will be only in this. You got me this in the Philippines, right? These are the options, and this is the secret one. I want this one. I don't know if you can see it, but this is the one I want. Which one would you want me to get?
I personally love the Mysterious Tarot one where she's like
The first one?
winking. Yeah.
Let's see. I don't like the one that have props on them, personally. Like, I just want one item, you know?
Yeah.
It feels heavy. Which one is that?
Oh, she's so cute.
Wait, she has an item.
Inspiration tea.
Like this?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, that sounded crunchy. This is her. She's cute. I'm happy I didn't get the secret item, the secret one, because it has like a big ass fucking table. And I didn't want that. I'm happy with this one.
She's so cute.
yeah, she's pretty cute.
And that's it.
I love you so much. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording.